Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got play.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. Today I'm doing a nighttime power hour, and this video is super special because it's in collaboration with LaQuasha from Clean Home, Clean Mind, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself right here.
Hello everyone, my name is LaQuasha and I'm a married stay-at-home mom of 3. I make cleaning videos to motivate moms and dads so that you all can keep a clean home for your families and so that you can be the best version of yourself while at home. I also do a little bit of mommy content. I also do plant life in my videos because I have a house full of plants that I love. I also do grocery hauls, and if that is something that you would like to see, be sure to subscribe. Ring the bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will hope to see you guys in the comments, or talk to you guys in the comments, I should say, after you're done watching Shane's video.
Make sure you guys go check out LaQuasha's video once you're done watching my video. Her link will be in my description box. You guys are going to absolutely love her channel. She has awesome motivation over there, so don't forget to go check her out and let her know that I sent you. And right now I was just giving you guys an overview of how much of a hot mess this house had gotten. I have just not been feeling my best, you guys. I know that I haven't been posting as much as I normally do, but I'm just trying to take care of my health in every kind of way, because I swear it seems like everything is attacking me all at once, but the enemy will not win, okay? But we are going to start in this living room and get it all cleaned up, and then I'm going to move on to the kitchen. I did not want to give myself too much to do because, like I said, I'm not feeling too well, but I got it done as always.
When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Every time I walk past this tree, it looks different, you guys. Sydney likes to decorate, okay? And she will rearrange these ornaments 50 times a day, but I just let her do it. I fix it sometimes I just let it be, okay?
Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul. And getting harder, it was never under my control.
move on and tidy up this dining room area before we move on to the kitchen. And if you are new here or you're coming over from LaQuasha's channel, I just want to welcome you to my channel. Hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and here on my channel I post cleaning motivation every single week. So if that is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here and be a part of my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and leave me a comment so that I know you're here and I can come and say hi. And if my house looks a little crazy or a little bare, you guys, we just moved and I have not gotten around to hanging anything on the walls or making this house a home just yet. So if you want to be a part of this journey while I get that done, I would love to have you subscribe.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
Now the kitchen has just been a complete wreck. It is just a dumping spot. All these countertops are way too cluttered for my liking. I just have not been cleaning. My husband does it most of the time, and if I feel like it, I'll do it. If not, you girl's gonna lay down. But this night I wanted to get everything clean, had some energy, I was feeling good, so we're gonna get this kitchen all tidied up.
You move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to break too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while.
I just wanted to mention that at this point, I was about 30 minutes into this power hour. I did forget to set the timer, you guys, but I was paying attention to the time. And I just kind of wanted to make this super, super relaxing. I didn't want to feel like I was racing against the clock, but I really did want to finish in just an hour, which I did. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes to clean the living room, dining room, and kitchen areas.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel. I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Crazy, oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Don't play me. another day. 'Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do.
As I was wiping down the countertops, I noticed that these cabinets were so dirty, so I had to go ahead and give these a wipe down as well. And I've just been using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the basil scent.
Quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Alright loves, we are approaching the very end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed and got some motivation to get up and tackle some things around your home today. Please don't forget to go check out LaQuasha's video. Her channel will be linked down in my description box, so go show her some love. Tell her I sent you. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Like a body of water.